Okay, so what is heat? Today's specialty, generation. Today, the great poet, national poet from our Karnataka. Who is he? Kuppalli Venkatappanavar maga Puttappa. Kuvempu avara birthday, Janmadina. So Kuvempu, Vishwa Manava. So heat. What is heat here? Is a form of energy? Okay. Heat energy is transferred by virtue of temperature difference. Because of temperature difference, you must make a note. Okay. So heat is transferred by means of temperature difference. Okay. Let us take a bowl. I'm taking a bowl. I've taken a bowl. Got it? I have a bowl. Let's see what the bowl was filled. Bowl was filled completely. Heat applied from bottom. What happens?
It will start heating. It will start heating.
Okay. Next. Temperature water rises. Right? As contains heat, okay, as it is applied, here the either any container, maybe water H2. Water starts rising temperature. Okay? So then what happens? It rises, then after some time it becomes vapor. Now tell me, how can I come to know that heat is transferring? My question is, heat applying, right? Heat adding here. So how you come to know? Okay, it's heating, heat is adding.
Temperature difference.
Temperature difference. So either we should use thermometer. Don't do it. I kept it folder, okay? Confuse our Galen confuse our Baja the so Galen is it's common. Okay, I fix a folder. Okay? Temperature is from that I come to know. Right? So it's no thermometer. We use water for bathing, right? We use thermometer. Man discuss for thermometer. Yeah, exactly 65 uses I need to get water, okay, bathing water. We go and off it correctly. Then by sense. Okay, or by time if you something right? So this is the heat. That means depend upon time. Good. Heat flow with respect to time. Always heat flows, right? Heat flows. Heat is energy, no. But I mentioned time. That's why, okay, heat flow, we take it in terms of watt. Because with respect to time, heat is added with respect to time. Okay? Okay, tell me, after adding heat, the molecules are available here. Once you start heating at one, they'll start getting wake up. I just hit they start walking. Okay? If someone heat added,
They start running.
very good. They start running. Super. If someone had added, they start jumping. Right? If you eat some more, they come out. That means if add heat, the molecules get more and more energized, and that energy is what I call it. What they are walk, they run, they jump into it. This is called your
Energy.
internal energy. What do you call? There is a increase or decrease in internal energy. Howda? Hope you getting my point? अर्थ करना होते हैं ಏನಪ್ಪ ಇಂಟೆಲಿಜೆನ್ಸ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು? ಈ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು there must be definitely some change in system change ಆಗುತ್ತಾ in terms of the matter anything. What change happens? Any changes in memory, it is called change in intelligence, or it is a internal energy. And see, before it has some more internal energy. Before, okay, we generally we denote it as a U. We denote it as a U internal energy. Before U1, before water boiling, U1 before. Thanda pani from tank. And hot water for bathing after. U1, U2 we call generally. Change internal energy we call change in internal energy. You ask question करेंगे लगा लो ये क्वेश्चन नहीं करेंगे सर ये नहीं कर रहे कत्ते कुछ नहीं तो मानते ना
ये क्वेश्चन क्या है
सर यू बैक सर के तो करे अनएसर भाग्य तो बी तो करे हाँ इसी पे ये सर इंजर्स टेक आई सर आई वाला है every notation के प्रत्येक क्वेश्चन क्या लगेगा ना सुनने आवाज़ तलेगा because you are become a technical person now right in technical course in technical science center आने always ask questioning queries ಬೇಕಾ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಆಗ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಅವಾಗ ಕೈ ತಿಂಡಿ ಕೊಡ್ತಿದ್ರು ಯಾಕೆ ಆಗ್ತದ್ರಿ ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾ ನೀವು ಬೇರೆ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಶುಡ್ ನೋ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಈಗ ಅಲರ್ಜಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿರ್ಬೇಕೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಮಮ್ಮಿ ಕೇಳ್ತಿರ್ತೀವಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ ಮಮ್ಮಿ ಯಾಕೆ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ ತೋರಿಸ್ತದೆ ಮಮ್ಮಿ ಭಾಳ ತನಕ ಬರ್ತೈತೆ ನನಗೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ ಎದಕ್ಕೆ ಬರ್ತೈತಿ ವಿಷನ್ ರೀಸನ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅವರ್ ಬಾಡಿ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅವರ್ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಹೌದಲ್ರಿ ಸೊ ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಇಂಟರ್ನಲ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಇಂಟರ್ನಲ್ ಯು ಯಾಕ ಯು ನನ್ನ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನನಗೆ ಏನದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸೂಪರ್ ನೀನಾಗಿರು ನೀನಾಗಿರು ಇಲ್ಲ ನನಗೆ ಇಂಟರ್ನೆಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀನಾಗಿರು ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಗೆ ನೀನಂತ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇರ್ಬೇಕು view it is okay under the system you what happens within the system it's called under you are under arrest hands up panagilla so under means within system so you getting what no doubt okay internal what mugitu internal mugitu sorry here mugitu internal now sir work on topic at the ಕೆಲಸ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಸರ್ ಕೆಲಸ ವಾಟ್ ಕೆಲಸ ಕಾರಣ ರೈಟ್ ಕಾಯ್ಕಾಯಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಬಸವಣ್ಣ ಹೇಳೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ಕಾರ ಕೆಲಸ ದೇವ್ರ ಕೆಲಸ ಅಂತ ಬರೋದು ನೋಡಿರಿ ವಿಧಾನಸೌಧ ಯಾರು ಹೋಗಿರಿ ನೋಡಿರಿ ವಿಧಾನಸೌಧ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಿಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ನೀವು ವಿಧಾನಸೌಧ ಹೋಗ ರೈಟ್ ಯಾರ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ವಿಧಾನಸೌಧ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಅದ ಅಂತ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಅದ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಅದು ಬಟ್ ಇನ್ನೇನು ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ವಿಧಾನಸೌಧ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅದ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದ ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ ಗುಡ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಅದರ್ ಟು ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ನೀವು ಭೂಮಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಓಕೆ ಗುಡ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಆಕಾಶ ಕೆಳಗೆ ಓಕೆ ಸೂಪರ್ ವಿಧಾನಸೌಧ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೈಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಮುಂದೆ ಅದು ಹೈಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ವಿಧಾನಸೌಧ ಮುಂದೆ ಮುಗೀತು ಸೊ ಕಮ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಟು ವರ್ಕ್ ಸಿ ವರ್ಕ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು express terminal definition. I don't do normal definition. Work. So we discuss on top point that work. Work is a vector scalar. We discussed this point. Already we discussed. Work is a scalar. In the chapter discussed scalar quantity, scalar product. We discussed work there. If one can recall that. F into dx we take, right? So work, but in thermodynamics work definition is different. In mechanical work what we did, so work nothing but is a product of applied force and change in direction in the applied force direction. Any point? What that means? A work done means okay, a body moves in applied force direction. It's called work. F into dx. That is mechanics definition of work. Let me get question. Work, define work in thermodynamics and mechanics. Both are different definition, not same. ಎರಡು ಸೇಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. thermodynamic definition ಬೇರೆ, mechanics definition ಬೇರೆ. What thermodynamic definition? So let us take we need to consider something. It's great. Piston cylinder. This piston. This cylinder. Piston moves up and down, right? Okay. Start heating. It has some molecules. It has some gas molecules. Gas or any molecules. Gas molecules or water molecules. Heat matter. Okay, system look. Heat matter. Piston zero. So let us see some stoppers. Piston zero. Okay. So now what I do? This I fix on the floor. Then I'll connect this one. I use a pulley. ಈಗೇನಂತ
ಇದು weights container
ಏನಂತ
piston
make sure that there is a frictionless pulley. Frictionless ಇರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಫ್ರೀ. ರಾಟೆ ಬಾವಿ ನಿಲ್ಸಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಅದೇ pulley.
ಇದು ಮೇಲೆ
ಬರ್ತದೆ. Okay. ಹೌದಾ? That means what here? We transfer heat to work. ಅರ್ಥಾಯ್ತು? We transfer heat to work. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಸಿಕ್ತು? ಸಿಕ್ಕತಿ? Okay, we transferring heat to work. That means what's the work in thermodynamics? Okay, work, this is a different thermodynamics, but it's system. Just imagine this entire thing as system. For system, we adding heat. Adding heat is positive, sign convention. Adding heat to the system is positive. Removing heat is negative. Keep in mind, sign convention very important. Okay, adding heat. So this system, how define the heat work? Work is defined as the sole effect. Sole effect andre first I'll explain. Then write solar performance. Andre single. Obbe hard work, obbe dance work. Right? Solar. So the sole purpose of the system, or sole effect of the system, could be the raising or lowering of weights. It is called work definition. In thermodynamics,
piston ಮತ್ತೆ ಇದು weight ಸೇಮ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್?
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಸೇಮ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಈಗ ಇದು ಓಕೆ ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ ವೇಟ್ ಇದೆ, ಸೇಮ್ ಇದು ಲಿಫ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ. doesn't matter, piston moves freely here. We take frictionless piston, don't mention that. Friction ಇರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಬಿಡ್ಲಲ್ಲಿ, there is no friction, ಇದ್ರೂ minimum. Okay, you want to label the parts. Piston ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ತರ pulley, rope ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ತರ weights ಮತ್ತೇನ
ಸಿಲಿಂಡರ್.
ಸರಿ, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ what is called dotted line? What is called dotted line?
Whole system.
Boundary. And dotted line, right? Everything within boundary system. Outside boundary?
Surrounding.
Both systems are surrounding?
Yes.
ಮತ್ತೆ any doubt? Any doubt ಐತಿ?
Work definition.
Okay. Is done? In the textbook maybe they give slightly modified the same definition, but this is about gist of it. Okay, head on. Work is defined as thermodynamic work. Thermodynamic work is defined as thermodynamic work is defined as the sole effect of the system. The sole effect of the system could be the rising or lowering of weights. होप अर्थ आता होता है आते लो मुझे draw beautiful labeled diagram and not that much good. You draw very nicely. Instead of draw bigger diagram, don't be confused. Stoppers I have mentioned. You will be green. You will be so you can ಮತ್ತೆ anything labeled piston ಆಯ್ತು cylinder ಆಯ್ತು system ಆಯ್ತು system ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ everything within the water system is understood. System ಬರಲ್ಲ ಬರ್ದಿಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ವಾಟರ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ outer system boundary. So, one next question here. So, can I convert work to heat? Work in the heat ಮಾಡಬಹುದಾ?
Yes, sir.
How? Vehicle.
Working of vehicle can create heat.
Working of vehicle. Which vehicle? Please elaborate.
Maybe bikes.
But in bike, what happens? Bike, we heat the fuel. We heat fuel going to burn. After burning fuel, piston moves up and down. And this mechanical work, heat engine converted to mechanical work in bike. It's called heat engine. I'll come to the point. Getting point? All bikes working on reverse. Heat to work. This is bike example. Bike engine you take or bike anything, all vehicles. They convert heat to work. They burn fuel, right? Why is it petrol like vehicle? To move forward, to burn, and I burn the fuel, then I get energy. Piston moves up and down, and that up and down piston movement, the reciprocating movement is converted into rotary motion. That rotary motion we can just pocket with the chain with the rail wheel. Then aram se dhoom machale and right. Other. Rubbing hands. Possible. Work to it possible. How exact? ब्रेक ಹೋಗಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗೋಣ ನಾವು ಗಾಡಿಗೆ ಟ್ರೈನ್ಗೆ ಟ್ರಕ್ಗೆ ಬಸ್ ಹೋಗಿ ಬರ್ತದೆ ವೈ heat generates there. Brakes. We convert work to heat. And recently we have a regenerative brakes. We have a regenerative brakes. What regenerative brakes? We can generate energy from the heat which we produce when apply brake. Regenerative brakes used in electric vehicles like BMW, Benz and high stand vehicles. They are using regenerative brakes. They want to generate energy from there. Adado, what to heat? Heat to work, you know very well. It's called heat engine. We discuss it today. It's a topic, okay? Heat engine topic is there. Morning discuss separately. I don't know. It's stuck. Heat engine. Adoba. Okay, here is an angle button. Right? Tribular. How many minutes is it? Charlie? And maybe heat engine is Charlie. We will discuss with Rakshit now. All this are about Rakshit Shakti. Charlie comes soon. So, see, still heat engine, his life is nonsense. Same, Rakshit. You know, Charlie not like Charlie baro working hero. But once Charlie comes, you become human being. Anger, heat engine bandre namageಲ್ಲ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay, so I told heat to work to heat we convert. That's why both are called as transient phenomena. I can transfer heat to work to heat. Both are transient phenomena. You can transfer, right? Work to heat to work. Give and take policy. I told last day, right? Heat and work are best friend. If heat irtana oda nodtana work. If work irtana heat oda bartana. Obbaru bidangilla ಅವರು. Jigri dost. Pakka friends. ಏನದಲ್ಗ? What do you call? Pakka friends ಏನಂತೀರ?
ಚಡ್ಡಿ ದೋಸ್ತ್.
ಚಡ್ಡಿ ದೋಸ್ತ್. Done? No more doubts? Then we go a very important topic of your subject that is called first law of what? Dynamics. You should fill in the blank. First law ಏನದಪ್ಪ? First law of thermodynamics. ಏನಂತಿದೆ thermodynamics here? ಕನ್ನಡ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ whenever converting heat to work and work to heat, one extra one ಬರ್ತಾನೆ ನೋಡೋಲಿ. ಯಾರವ? Internal energy. How they relate? First law ಬಂತು. Even with zero law, first law. First law says that statement conservation of energy. Energy neither created nor destroyed. We can transfer from one form to other form. Same way, we can't destroy heat and work. We can transfer from heat to work to heat. Both are energy, right? Both are energy, form of energy. So same thing. When you apply first law of thermodynamics for a closed system, then you apply first law to closed system. Let's take a closed system. Think only.
Cooker.
Very good. Cooker. है cooker क्या करता है? It cooks. It cooks. It's cooker. It boils. Boiler. It bakes. What do you call? Oven. Oven bake ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಚವಿ ಅಂತಾರ. Bread burn. Oven ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. The heat, right? So baker bakes. Closed system, but partially. And then now we look at the gas bus mass more, but we neglect compared to ಎಷ್ಟು kg ಜನರೇಟ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ very minimum. We neglect. That's why, right? Don't be neglect zone. Neglect ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಕೆಲವು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಹೆಂಗಿರ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರು ಇದಿಲ್ಲ ನಂಗೆ ಹಂಗಿರ್ಬಾರ್ದು. ನಿಮ್ದು ಲೀವ್ ಲೆಗಸಿ. ನೀವು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಲೆಗಸಿ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೋಗಿ ನೀವು. ನೀನು ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ಇದ್ದಪ್ಪ ಹಿಂಗಿದ್ರು ಬಾರ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ನೋಡು, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕ್ಯಾರಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಒಂದು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಫುಲ್ ಹೈ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಇಲ್ಲ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಪೂರ ಕಿಟಿಕಿಟಿಗೆ ಭಾಳ ಕಾಡ್ತಿರ್ಬೇಕು, ನೆನ್ಪಿಡ್ತಾರೆ ಇವರು. ರೈಟ್? ಯಾ, ಯು ಕಾಂಟ್ ಬಿಲೀವ್, ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸೈಟ್ ಮೈ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್. ಇನ್ ಮೈ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ನಾನು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮ್ಯಾಥ್ಸ್ ಲೆಕ್ಕ ಮಾಡ್ಸಿದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಎಷ್ಟೇ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಐ ಡೂ ಮೈ ಓನ್ ಮೆಥಡ್. ದಿಸ್ ವೈ ಮೈ ಸರ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಬ್ರಿಗೇಡ್, ದಿ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಜೆ ಮೆಥಡ್. ಎಲ್ಲೇನಪ್ಪ ಜೆ ಮೆಥಡ್? ನೀ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು? ನಾನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು, ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಬಟ್ ಐ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಕಟ್. I don't want to do convention method 10 step. So always, when I'm 10th standard, my sir still day when I'm at time to do same thing. I have one more friend, my friend RR method. Raghavendra have a friend. He has both of us, but he never said okay. Beside the other, he's somewhere and actually always a last bench. So JJ method. So still like a master, like what do you call? You are right, arithmetic progression. We do arithmetic progression, and we have coded geometry, polynomials, quadratic equations, probability, statistics, right? Now, ಯಾವುದೇ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರಲಿ, I do my own method. But answer is correct. So ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಅಪ್ಪ JJ method ಕೇಳಿದ್ರು? This should be you, be unique. Don't worry about other things. You have to but should do good thing. Be you. I'm not exaggerating that myself. Just I'm telling you. So JJ method. Till I remember. Thanks for reminding that. So cooker. ಏನು ಮಾಡೋದು ಕುಕ್ಕರ್ ಬಂದು ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಫ್ರಿಜ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಶೋಕೇಸ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಫ್ರಿಜ್ ಶೋಕೇಸ್ ಏನು ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಮನೆಗೆ, ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕುಕ್ಕರ್ ಆಸ್ ಅ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಇಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಈವನ್ ಇಫ್ ಕುಕ್ಕರ್ ಆಸ್ ಅ ಪ್ರೈಸ್, ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಕೀಪ್ ಆನ್ ಸ್ಟವ್. ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ನಮಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಸ್ಕೂಲಾಗ ಗ್ಲಾಸು, ಪ್ಲೇಟು, ತಂಬಿ ಗಿಫ್ಟ್ ಕೊಡೋರು. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಅವತ್ತು ಫ್ರಿಜ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಬಂದು ಅಡಿ ಮನೆಗೆ ಕೊಡೋದೆ. ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಮೇಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ಇಟ್. ಸೊ ಕುಕ್ಕರ್ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಬೇಕು ಹಂಡ್ರೆ heat ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಏನಾಗ್ತಪ್ಪ, let's keep some rice this and I supply heat. Let us take heat supply dou Q. Why dou? I thought it was dou. Dou ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಮಲ್ಲ, sorry. Dou means partial differentiation. Index differentiation. Okay, I'll go your point of view. Okay, happy? Change in what? Heat supply. And first equation is equal to change in internal energy plus CD malakadalre. Correct? What is that?
Change in.
This is equation of first law of thermodynamics. It relates with three things. First, I introduce one new term. It's called every loss introduces one new term. Zeroth introduced thermal equilibrium. Second, first introduced energy. Second introduces entropy. New topic, just one word. Entropy. Every law introduces one topic. Some important energy source, some important output product. So this is here internal energy. Here internal energy. Now I told. See now when adding it, listen carefully. When adding it, obviously internal energy increases. Molecules move faster. Walk ಮಾಡ್ತವ, run ಮಾಡ್ತವ, ಜಿಗಿತವ, ಓಡ್ತವ. ಯಾಕೆ? Adding heat. Okay. So adding heat means I'm increasing temperature. Perfect. You keep on adding at a particular point. When it reaches a critical point, in another CT, work done. Initial position, final position. That's why change in work. Internal energy, initially before igniting burner is normal temperature. Then once igniting, changes internal energy. Heat, we supply internal heat first before we ignite. Then after some time, heats are added, right? Added system, positive. Just imagine. Cooker ಇಟ್ಟಿನಿ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಇಟ್ಟಿನಿ, ಅನ್ನ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಕ್ಕಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ. I want heat ಸಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ. I mean, I want to change temperature. Heat ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಇಟ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತವಾಗ If there is no temperature change in system, what happens?
It remains same. It remains same.
Remains. What remains same?
The matter.
Matter. Okay, next.
Temperature. Temperature.
Next.
Internal energy.
Perfect. I am doing the same thing. This is what I expect. Same thing. If no heat, if there is no changes, temperature remains same. If constant temperature is done, internal energy remains same. That means internal energy is a purely function of temperature. It depends only on temperature, doesn't matter. Temperature. Clear? So, if temperature constant, I have a process to discuss, like isothermal, adiabatic, we discuss. Is that right? If there is no change in temperature, what happens? If let delta T equal to 0, what delta T is like this. T1 minus T2 equal to 0. T1 initial temperature, T2 final temperature. Then I take T1 equal to T2. No change in temperature. If no change in temperature, this equation becomes Internal energy 0. Internal energy purely function of temperature. Artha aitu? Make a note. Doubt ಇದ್ರೆ ಕೇಳ್ರಿ. See, when you kid, right, we are more curious. ಹೌದಾ? ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೆ ಸಣ್ಣ ನೋಡಿರ್ತಾವೆ ಕೇಳಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕ್ಯೂರಿಯಸ್ ಇರ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಬೆಳಗಾದ ಹಾಲಾಗಿ ಬೆಳಗಾದ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಬೆಳಗಾದ ರಕ್ತ ಕೆಂಪಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಿರ್ತಾರೆ ನೋಡಿರಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕ್ಯೂರಿಯಸ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಬಟ್ ಗ್ರೋ ರೈಟ್ ವಿ ಲೂಸ್ ಕ್ಯೂರಿಯಾಸಿಟಿ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಒಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೇಳಿದಾಗ ಹಾಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಬೈದಿರ್ತಾರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಂದ್ರ ಸಂಘ ಬೈದಿರ್ತಾರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಕೇಳಬಾರ್ದು. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಸರ್ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೆಂಗಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಚಲ್ತಾ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಸರ್ ಬಡಿ ದೇಶ ಮೇಲೆ ಚೋಡಿ ಬಾತಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿರುತ್ತೆ ರೈಟ್. ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೆಲ್ಸಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ನನ್ನ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡೋದು. KRS ಕುಕ್ಕರ್ ಸರ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿ ಕುಕ್ಕರ್ ಐತಲ್ಲ ಕುಕ್ಕರ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನನಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನ್ ಕುಕ್ಕರ್ ಇರೋದು ಓಕೆ ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನ್ ಮೈ ಕುಕ್ಕರ್ ಸ್ಟೈನ್ಲೆಸ್ ಸ್ಟೀಲ್ ಇಂಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಕುಕ್ಕರ್ ವಿತ್ ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಕಲರ್ ನೋಡಿರಿ ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಕಲರ್ ಕುಕ್ಕರ್ ನೋಡಿರಿ ಕರಿ ಕಲರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಡನ್ ರೈಟ್ ಸರ್ ನೀರು ಸಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡೋದು ವರ್ಕ್ ಏನು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ನೋಡ್ರಿ I'll take again same story. Into with the stopper. Main gauge. So changing work. Heat ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ the molecules obviously energize. ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾವ? They push the piston. Push ಮಾಡ್ತಾವ. That means the exerting pressure here. ಹೌದಾ? So pressure exert ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಈ ಪಿಸ್ಟನ್ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು ಈ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ. Then what's that? What changes there? Which power changes? Oh, tell me. ಈಗ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ದಸ್ ಶೋ ರೈಟ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ ಹೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಪ್ರೆಷರ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕುಕ್ಕರ್ ಸಿಟಿ ಮೇಲೆ ದೊಡ್ಡದು ನೋಡಿರಿ. ನಾನು ಮೈ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಇಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಒನ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್? Gay-Lussac law, Boyle's law, Charles law, Gay-Lussac law, clear? Boyle's law, temperature change. Charles law, what is constant? Boyle's law, temperature constant. Charles law, ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ.
Pressure and temperature chancellor.
Volume change, volume constant.
Volume constant.
Next.
Boils from
Temperature constant.
temperature constant.
So here what happens? See, simple thing here. Pressure ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಏನು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? Change is here. This is a work done. Pressure. What unit of pressure? Unit of pressure.
Bar.
Bar. Next. In SI. Bar on SI. Pascal. Next. I call pressure in terms of Newton per meter square. Volume. Unit of volume.
Meter cube.
Newton.
Meter.
Andre. Joule. Unit of work. Balance. Yeah. ये बोलते हैं work done. Always changing pressure. Even pressure changes. Pressure also changes. If you want, we can write like this, like P2 minus P1 into V2 minus V1. Both changes ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ we are discussing. This is enough for us as a general equation. I have isothermal adiabatic process. There I'll explain. Is it doubt ಐತಿ? No doubt? Make a note of it? Yeah, quick.
Sir, you said temperature does not change, sir. But here in this, sir. But when heat is supplied, obviously temperature will change only, no, sir.
Good question. See, it balances. Heat supplied, okay. What happens when even though heat is supplied, we can maintain system temperature constant. Even though we can maintain system temperature constant. This is comes in the isothermal process. In isothermal process, what means temperature is constant, but even heat is also added. Even adding heat, temperature system remain constant. This is called, which process is change temperature is isothermal. Iso means what? Same in all relation. Isometric materials, you know. Isomers, elastomers. We discuss that. Iso means it is same in all relations. Property means same. Thermal means heat. I mean temperature. So isothermal means temperature is constant. There is no change in temperature. No, there is no change in temperature but T1 equal T2. Then clear, ma? Any more doubt? Done. Any more doubt? Completed? No doubt in first law, work, energy, heat. Can you go next? And next topic you know very well. Second law, battery in time is signal time is. Would you say some specific heat? Then by then, and then specific and then. ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫಿಕ್ ನಾವು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, ನೆನಪಿಲ್ಲ? ಅದೇ ಹೇಳಿ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳಿ ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫಿಕ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ರೈಟ್, ನೆನಪೈತಿಲ್ಲ ನಿಮಗೆ? ಹಾಂ ಹೇಳೋದು ಯಾಕೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ? ಹಾಂ, ಒಂದು ಮೂರು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್. So you go different process first. Okay, answer one even upside doubts I clarify. You told is correct. Isothermal process ಅಂದರೆ temperature constant. Which property comes here? Temperature. So temperature ಅನ್ಪಾಯ್ತು. So be careful, wear mask, psychology. Mass economy, so again raised. So case number when it again export very fast. Adengandre it's expands in exponential manner. Ha. Athagala. Okay. In exponent anta. ಎರಡು ನಾಲ್ಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಾಲ್ಕೆಂಟು 8 16 17 already Bangalore 10 members got Omicron positive. Our village has been bit ಏನು ಮಾಡಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. So be safe. Safety first, everything next.
Second type of corona, sir.
Omicron. Corona, COVID appa. Omicron.
Appa.
Next version, advanced, revised. Okay, everything is right. So be careful, wear mask, maintain social distance. It's not hangiಲ್ಲ, right? But be careful in crowd. Because in climate angle where you can't differentiate. Again, so be careful. Maintain distance. Okay, have healthy diet. Healthy diet maintain matter. Kaccha pichi ತಿನ್ನಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. Maintain healthy diet. Have good meals always. ಹಂಗಂತ ಎಲ್ಲ ಉಂಡು ಸಾಲ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡಂಗೆ ಮುಂತೆ ನಾನು ಸೊ ಹೇಳೋದು ವೆಡ್ ಹೆಲ್ದಿ ಮೀಲ್ಸ್ ಗುಡ್ ಮೀಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಬಟ್ ಯು ನೋ ರೈಟ್ ವೆನ್ ಟು ಸ್ಟಾಪ್, ವೆನ್ ಟು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಮೋರ್. ಐಸೋಥರ್ಮಲ್ ಪ್ರೋಸೆಸ್ ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್ ರಿಮೇನ್ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟಂಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಇದಾಗಿ ಬಂದಲ್ವಾ ಮುಗಿದ್ಲಾ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಬೇಡ. ವೈ ಐ ಗಾಟ್ ಕೊರೋನಾ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇನ್ ಕೊರೋನಾ ದೇ ಚೆಕ್ ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ with a gun, hands up. We'll check temperature. And then get next. Okay? So, isothermal. From first law of thermodynamics. I'm lazy to write. From first law, thermodynamics. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತಾ? delta Q, change in heat transfer, heat is equal to change in energy plus change in, done. Sorry, this work done even you can write as P D V or P delta V, anything okay. Isothermal ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದೇನಾಗುತ್ತಾ 0 0 0 ಜೇಮ್ಸ್ ಬಾಂಡ್. ಯಾಕೆ? why? Because U is a function of temperature only. ಬೇರೆ ಯಾರು ಸಂಬಂಧ ಇಲ್ಲ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾನ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಸಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಕೆಲವ್ರು ಇರ್ತಾರ, ಅವ್ರ ಮನೆಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟೋ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ, ಅವ್ರು ಎಷ್ಟೇ ಭೇಟಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಬೇರೆ ಯಾರು ಸಂಬಂಧನೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. Like that. They are reserved. You see that ಏನೋ ತಮಗ? ಕನ್ನಡ? That means that means whatever heat is applied, it convert into work. Whatever heat is applied, they will convert into work. Something different, right? Nice, huh? The sheet goes to no nothing, no loss, nothing. So whatever heat is applied, it goes to convert into work. So my definition of derivation is better. It's stuck for you guys. Isothermal. Any more doubt here? You can ask. ಡೌಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮುಂದೋಗೋಣ. ಮುಗಿದ್ರೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನಾವು we have no process. ಅಡಿಯಾಬ್ಯಾಟಿಕ್ ಕೇಳಿ. ಅಡಿಯಾಬ್ಯಾಟಿಕ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಡಿ ಮನೆ ಮಾಡೋದ, ಅಡಿ ಮನೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತದೆ ಅಡಿಯಾಬ್ಯಾಟಿಕ್. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ there are many process but syllabus ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಭಾಳ ಕನ್ಸಲ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಐಸೋಥರ್ಮಲ್ ಅಡಿಯಾಬ್ಯಾಟಿಕ್ ಐತೆ, ಐಸೋಕೋರಿಕ್ ಐತೆ, ಭಾಳ ಅದಾವ ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್. ಅಡಿಯಾಬ್ಯಾಟಿಕ್ ಪ್ರೋಸೆಸ್, ವಾಟ್ ಅಡಿಯಾಬ್ಯಾಟಿಕ್ ಪ್ರೋಸೆಸ್? E ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ರಿ? E for adiabatic, A for apexa. Next apple. ಎಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ರಿ A for apple ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಏನಿಲ್ಲ. ಯಾರು ಬಿಟ್ಟು A for apple ಅದು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬೇರೆ ಹೇಳಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ರೈಟ್? You must tell the father name, mother name, whichever comes in relative names. A. Next, adiabatic I told. What adiabatic means? Adiabatic wall. Empathy. What adiabatic wall? No heat transfer. Adiabatic wall heat transfer ಮಾಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಅದನ್ನ adiabatic wall ಅಂತ. ಈ heat transfer ಮಾಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಆಗ? 0. If heat transfer 0, what happens? Change is equal to work done. That's it. Okay. So adiabatic process what happens? No heat transfer. If no heat transfer from first law, delta equal to delta U plus W. This becomes 0. ಹೌದಾ? No heat transfer ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? System and surroundings still same temperature. System change ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ, temperature ಇದ್ದಂಗೆ ಇರ್ತದೆ. Surrounding ಬೇಡ, this is one system. Change ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಹೌದಾಯ್ತು? So ಬರೀ what happens now? I'll take one thing. Work done equal to reverse we go. Whatever from this, alright? Correct? Oh yeah, if you split it, it become W1 to 2, that is U2 minus U1 minus, correct? W1 to 2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? Work done, always it's the inner differential. W1 W2 W1 ಬರಿಬೋದು ನಾವು, ಹಂಗೂ ಬರಿಬೋದು, but it is W1 to 2 work done. Here the minus what ಕಳಿಸಿದ್ರೆ what is equal to U1 minus U2. That's it. Ulta. Hope no doubts here. I'm saying. Done. So. Any more doubt? Next topic you have specific heat. Any more doubt here? Isocoric not required for you guys. Isocoric ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? Isocoric process. Clear? Constant volume process. ನಾನು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ತಗೊಂಡೆ ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. I want equation for isocoric process. Isocoric ಅಂದ್ರೆ constant volume process. I want equation from your side for constant volume process.